CWI, which stands for cold water immersion or cold plunging, whatever you want to call it. Is it a sympathetic activity or parasympathetic? So reminder, fight or flight, rest and digest. Should you use it before you work out or after? Is it recovery? Is it stimulus? I get these questions all the time. And the answer is it depends on how you use it. It depends on you and how conditioned or adapted you are to doing this. So if you are new to it and getting in 50 degrees is really hard, that's going to be a sympathetic response. If you're breathing heavy and you can only spend about 2 minutes, that's more sympathetic. And best to do that prior to working out. If you're looking for more recovery or stress reduction, and you just want to feel generally good, maybe your HRV is tanked, you want to improve your parasympathetic activity, you can do that with a cold plunge. You just have to change how you do it. So for someone like me, I've been cold plunging for over 3 years. 40 degrees is pretty tough for me. I spend about 2 to 3 minutes in 40 degrees. But 50 degrees is pretty good. I get in, I don't have to breathe heavy. I can spend 10 minutes in there if I want to. So for me, that's parasympathetic. So there's no specific protocols to this. You have to go based off of your reaction.